Hey everyone, I'm Lola and welcome back to the Lunch Pail Ops channel. Today I'll show you how to enhance your Bubble apps by adding video calls with an AI chatbot using Tavus, which is included in the Video, Audio, and Live bundle plugin for Bubble by Lunch Pail Labs. You can use this feature for use cases like customer support, training, or to enable personalized sales demos. So with all of that intro, let's get started and create some workflows. First thing, which we're not going to really go step by step on, is you're going to want to install the plugin. I will share a direct link to the plugin, but without the plugin, you won't be able to do that. It's going to be inside Bubble's plugin marketplace. For the purposes of this demo, we're only going to use Tavus and daily. And for the daily portions, we won't need an API key. So really all we need is a Tavus API key. So go into Tavus if you have not already. API keys section here. When you log in to your dashboard, I'll also include a direct link. We're going to create a new key. I'm going to call it Demo Tavus. For the purposes of this demo, I'm going to expose the key, but remember, keep it secret. If you do not keep it secret, people can use your usage credits, and that could be sad. So I've got my API key. I'm going to go into my plugins, and I'm going to pop it into this Tavus API key field. As a reminder, for the purposes of this plugin, or this demo, we're not going to use the other portions of the plugin, i.e. Mux and Daily. And then I am in a Bubble app. It's a fresh Bubble app, fresh page, nothing on it. I also, during this tutorial, won't go through the configuration of just creating a Bubble app, but a blank Bubble app will do. And I'm just going to add a button to this page. I'll change the layout to column. We're just going to do a centered button. And this button is going to be to start the chat. Start the chat button. Make it centered and start chat. And now we can go ahead and go into our workflow. So I'm going to add a workflow. The workflow is going to be to create a conversation. I already have some default replica IDs and persona IDs. You can feel free to change that with stock replicas, or if you're using the digital twin service, your own replicas. This is the persona library, and so you can see different potential personas. If you click on it, you can see the persona ID and replica ID, which you can replace. Some other fields to note are max call duration. This is going to guard how long your calls can be, because the second that we create a conversation, the usage will start. So I'm going to actually just put this at 30 seconds here. I'm also going to add a custom greeting. It's not necessary, but hey Lola, how are you? This is going to be, should be the first thing that the AI bot says when I join the call. And I will leave everything else the same. This participant left timeout is also another good safeguard. It's basically how long after the call should the AI bot be live, should the conversation be live. Absent timeout, how long after I've created the conversation, because once I create the conversation, the AI bot's going to be in the call. How long after that if no one joins, should it shut down? So we do that. Then we're going to join the call. Tavus uses Daily for their video conversational video interface, and Daily is included in this plugin, so we can use that and put our conversation URL. We'll make it a full screen call. And let's hit preview and try it out. So I'm actually going to take off the debug mode here, so I'm going to make that false. Let's start the chat. All right, we are joining a full screen in our Bubble app. Let's join.
Hey Lola, how are you?
I'm great. How are you doing?
I'm doing fantastic. Thanks for asking. It's always great to connect with someone new. How can I help you today?
And that's basically a demo of how this all works. So thanks for tuning in. And yeah, If you try it out, let me know, drop a comment. What would you build with this? And yeah, that's it. All right.